Hi guys, it's Nina from VRFocus, and today is going to be an unboxing video of the Vive Pro, right? Super excited, looks brand new, and for those of you who don't know, this is basically the new Vive headset, and it's got better resolution, and we're going to unpack the box and see what is inside of it right now. So, the first thing that I noticed, it says requires VR capable computer. Well, I hope you guys already know that. That's just natural thinking. Thank God that sticker is already off because I'm terrible at this. Okay, brand new unboxing. How does it go? I'm thinking it's going to go this way. Let's pull this out. That's number 3. Okay. It's got numbers. 4, 3. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. So I guess we will go with... I'm guessing 1 and 3 is probably like the lighthouse station or something, because this is just the Vive Pro headset and the link box. So it says here requires base station and controllers sold separately. Let's go with number 4. Let's go with the Vive Pro. So here, kind of see, I'm going to probably take it out of its packaging. But there it is, all neatly wrapped up and pretty, and connected to a wire already instantly. So I'm just gonna take that off. See here, there's still stickers attached. And the first thing I think that you notice is how much smaller it is compared to the sort of HTC Vive normal headset. And then you kind of got this here as well, which is from, I suppose, the Audio Deluxe head strap, because it's got this sort of the same back, and I can feel it moving. And obviously you've got the sort of headset here, so we're going to take off the packaging here. These are adjustable. See here, very adjustable little headphones, and you can see this moves around as well. So not only can you lift these up, but you can also rotate these. And there's also here, there's a sort of a mute button as well, which I suppose there might be another button on the other side. So let's take that one off. Put that one to the side. And this one's actually different than that one. You can see this one's for volume and this one is for muting. But both of them are adjustable and you can move those around. Warning. So no sunlight and no sharp objects, I suppose that's what it's saying. Got some nice cushioning here. It feels super soft and velvety. Just touching up the headset. Right. Woo! So these are a lot bigger, I feel, than the other headset. And this is a lot closer to the eyes as well compared to the other headset. Now, just for jokes, I'm going to put it on right now and just feel it. Oh, my head is way too big for this. So that was pretty easy to adjust. I like that it goes up and down, so you know, you've got different ears. And this is something I was actually going to do a video about. I have an Asian nose and I cannot see the floor. It's great. I can't see the floor. Like, even if I go like that, which is usually how I see the floor, I don't see the floor. It's light, comfortable, this is good, this is easily adjustable. Here you can also adjust it as well. You have I don't know, bigger hair than I do. Yeah, so that is the Vive Pro headset, and I think if you want to start using it, we're going to take these off as well. Right, now let's go to the link cable. This is box number 3, so I'm going to... This is a little bit uncomfortable. I guess I'll just take this out like that. Do we have anything else in here? Yes, we do. So this is the charger, I suppose. So this is a European charger, which I would need an adapter for. cables for the link, and I'm not sure what this is for. Oh, it's a sticker. I have to undo it. I don't know why. Oh, it's for this. Okay. I mean, maybe you can stick it somewhere, and that would be a lot more comfortable. So we've got the sticker, got the link cable, got the two cables, and then we have the Vive Pro headset. And that is everything that I can think of. There's no manual, which is a bit weird. There's no menu saying anything. There you go, there you have it. Oh, I forgot to mention that I found these. So these are probably caps for the audio headphones in case you don't want them. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up. Go to little caps. And I suppose this will be for taking these off and then adding it on in case maybe you don't want audio. Yeah. The Vive Pro and then a cable with no manual.